Alright, we are back at Central LRT Station 7. There's the Dewhurst there, the East Fujitec Escalator has finally been put into service. This replacement is finally done, and if you see it, this LRT there, it's just broke down, just got power down and out of service, which is a problem for the network. Anyway, now let's take a ride on this new Fujitec Escalator. It's the same as the other one, down at the other end of the platform. Here we go, let's take a ride on this. It's nice moving. You can see the southbound trains coming in on the other track there. The other and that's like the big mess. And there's our new Fujitec, modernized Fujitec elevator that's in the service a month before. And now this escalator, and so and then that escalator still yet to be installed. Replace another Concourse is 3 elevator, and then now let's go back down to the platform. Once again, just a walking down train, and then the southbound on the other side now. We're going to watch this southbound take off. And there it goes. Here we go, crossing over to the other side there.
Next train, Health Sciences Jubilee. Please stand back from the platform edge.
That's it. See, this new escalator is just like the other one. On the west end of the platform, and the same one will be at the Concourse Street. It's still yet to be installed. It's good that this is all finally done. You can see there's a new tile and surrounding it, and then the Fujitec outlet there over there. Nice. It's film. And this feels so good at this stuff. And hopefully to resolve this LRT issue as soon as possible. Other than that, that will be